welcome to this guided meditation session focused on calming breathing exercises and relaxation. Find a comfortable and quiet space to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and gently take a deep breath through your nose. Letting go of any tension as you exhale through your mouth. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. As you inhale, feel the coolness of the air entering your nostrils. And as you exhale, sense the warmth of the breath leaving your body. Let's begin a technique called square breathing. Imagine tracing a square in your mind as you breathe. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. Hold the breath for 4 counts. Exhale slowly for 4 counts. And then, pause for another 4 counts. Let's do a few rounds of this together. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Continue this square breathing pattern at your own pace. Feel the steadiness of your breath, creating a sense of balance within. Now, let's bring our attention to our bodies. Starting with your toes, imagine a wave of relaxation sweeping over them, releasing any tension. Slowly move this wave of relaxation up through your legs, your hips, your abdomen, your chest, and your arms. Let go of any tightness or stress as the wave passes through each part of your body. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and let them drift away, like leaves floating down a stream. Bring your focus back to your breath and the sensation of relaxation. As we conclude, take a moment to reflect on something you're grateful for. Allow that feeling of gratitude to fill your heart and mind. Visualize it as a soft, warm light radiating from within you, spreading peace and tranquility throughout your being. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this calming breathing and relaxation session. Carry this sense of calm and centeredness with you as you continue your day.